Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up guys, PizzlesTechTime back again with another video, and today I got something real exciting for you. I got a battery backup system for your PC or your gaming computer. Whatever you want to call it, I got it. It's right here. 1500 VA or 900 watts. And I got this suggestion from Tech Deal's YouTube channel. So if you aren't watching him yet, go check him out. I'm literally watching his channel all the time. And I've gotten so much valuable information from his channel. So if you guys have a minute, check out his channel. I'm going to leave a card for it above. Link is in the description. So if you're here watching this video now, you're here for the APC 1500 VA backup system for your PC. Now, let me start off by saying I don't know too much about these things. This is the first one that I'm purchasing. So if you find that I don't meet the criteria for the information that you want to find for this thing, that is why I am leaving Tech Deals in the link above. Because I'm not exactly certified as an electrician or anything like that, guys. I'm just simply doing an unboxing for this and telling you why I need it and why you might need it. So let me start off by saying this is a backup battery for your PC. If your house gets struck by electricity, or if you have some kind of electrical shortage, or any kind of electrical problem, and your computer has a shortage, your whole system could get fried. So, if you have this battery backup, and it has enough juice to keep your computer running, your computer will be safe in the event of power failure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for my monitor, I'm going to use it for my computer, and I will plug some other peripherals into the other ports. Because if you look here on the box here, this thing has 10 outlets, it has 2 USB charging ports. One of them is going to be a USB Type-C, which is pretty cool, and the other one is just a 5-volt, 3-amp USB 3.0. Okay? And you got surge protection, auto shutdown software, so you're going to need to install that on your computer, and AVR technology. Automatic voltage regulation instantly corrects incoming utility power without utilizing the battery, saving battery for when it is needed most. When utility power is normal, AVR bypass temporarily deactivates AVR, improving unit efficiency, saving you electricity and money. So basically, this unit will not run off the battery unless it needs to. Basically save you money on electricity. This is 1500 VA and it's 900 watts. Now my power supply is 1000 watts. So right off the bat, I thought I was looking for 1000 watt battery backup. So until Tech Deal's video, I was completely lost. Because looking for one of these at over 1000 watts is so expensive. But I left a comment on his video and he replied to me and with my specific parts to my computer, and he said there should be enough, I can plug my monitor into. Your computer is not actually using your full power supply unless you have like 2-3 graphics cards, 5-6 hard drives. Let's get to the unboxing and let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna get a little creative. So hopefully this thing can power at least my computer. If it can't back up the monitor too, that's okay. Nope. We got the power cord sticking out of this milk carton looking thing. Take this, throw it away. Okay, so this box is very heavy, guys. Let's see. So has a very funny smell. While it's aside here. Okay. Also, and it does not look like there's anything else in there. It smells like a nail salon for some reason. Okay. So in the packaging we have some instructions. It's going to be very important to read these instructions for this, guys. So we're going to make sure that we do that thoroughly. Looks like a Ethernet to USB cable, coax cable. The power cord is connected to this whole device. Nice long cord, guys. Shouldn't have much of a problem. It's probably 6 feet. No, it's got to be at least 6 feet. You've got a quality assurance test going on here. Everything has passed. Visual inspection, low battery signal. Okay. And now we've got a thing here where it says lay it down here. And we've got to take the battery out. Okay? So what we're doing is we're over here and we're taking this off as it states in the instructions. Okay. Now this slides off. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a battery connection right there. And what we're gonna have to do is flip it, or we're gonna have to, let's see, connect the battery stop. So basically I just turned that battery. Okay. Guys, we've got this all plugged in, and what I'm going to want to do is take this off right here, and we are going to do it together. Ready? I spent a little bit of time going through the instruction manual here, and I spent a little bit of time going through the options of the system here, and I do believe it's charging. It's making a little bit of a whirring noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. Hoping it doesn't continually make that noise, as it will annoy me, but if it does, I'm glad that my computer will be safe. So, just some things you may want to note. When you first plug in the device, it will not do anything. The power button will not light up like this. You will have to hit the power button, and then it will turn on. You will hear that whirring noise. That will mean that the unit is getting power. You hit that power button, and it will turn on, and it will indicate that the battery is charging. It'll start to blink. The battery indicator will start to blink, and then you will know that it is registering the battery, making sure the battery works, and then it'll go off again. So you can go into your menu here, and if you want to change your settings, you can go through here, and when the system, if you want to turn the display on and off, you can do that. And if it goes into low power mode, it does have an alarm to let you know that if you lose power. You can also change the sensitivity of the device. It is recommended if you're using it for a computer that it be on either default, which is medium sensitivity, or high sensitivity. You don't want to have it on low sensitivity for a computer load. I'm going to leave it on default and see how that works. Right now it has a 0 load and the alarm tone is on. Right here you have the USB port, and right under it you have the USB-C port, which I will use to charge my Samsung Galaxy phone. As you can see, I am monitoring what I'm recording right here on the GH5, and it's doing a wonderful job of focusing right now. Thank you, GH5. Love you. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 battery and surge protected outlets. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 just regular surge protected outlets. Now that's great. So you can have your computer, your monitor, your speakers, and whatever else that you want. You still have some options open. From what I've learned, you don't want to have a printer or something that's plugged in all the time and on plugged into one of these. So if you need to do further research into that, I would do so. So for me, I'm going to plug in my monitor, my computer, and my Bose USB computer speakers that I just got right here. And maybe I can even plug in some other things. I will look into it. So I think this is pretty cool, guys. And the fact that you get all these outlets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 battery and surge protected outlets, up to 900 watts. That's awesome. We're going to see what my computer gets up to when it gets in here. Now, if you drain the battery on this, it's going to take 16 hours to recharge. So just keep in mind that when you get this thing, if the battery is not charged, it will take 16 hours to charge. It is showing that the battery is charged, but I will give it time to charge before I plug my computer in, just in case. It has a circuit breaker reset right here. It also, there's the ground screw right here. And it also has a light right here for if you have a fault in your wiring in your building. Now that's awesome, guys. So if you have any problems with the wiring in your building, this thing will tell you. It's like a little mini electrician right here in the box. You get a problem, this thing will tell you. So if you don't want to hire an electrician, just buy this thing and, no. You should still hire an electrician if you have a problem, but if he doesn't find it, this thing might. So I think that's a pretty cool little feature right there. So if this light is on, it says do not use the surge protector, battery backup. Make sure to call an electrician right away. You can also plug in your LAN, your internet through here, one way in and one way out. I already have my internet being protected through another surge protector out there in the living room. So I think I'm pretty well protected from any electrical failures now, and I feel pretty secure. Okay, so this device has a best-in-class warranty of $250,000. It'll cover all your devices if something happens. If something does happen in the event of a power failure of any kind, what you're going to do is send them back this device. You're going to do a crap ton of paperwork, and then they will replace your device. In the event that it was a failure of their device, they will replace your device under their guidelines of their warranty, which is awesome. $250,000 is covered, which is amazing, guys. I think that's awesome. That's why you want to get a device like this, to protect your investment. So that's why I got it, and that's why you should consider it also. Also, one other thing is that you do have to replace the battery in these devices. The battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years. A shorter period is subjected to frequent outages or elevated temperatures. From the video that I watched from Tech Deals, with the link in the description and the card above. Again, thanks Tech Deals for all your information and videos. I really appreciate it. From the information I gathered from him, he replaces his batteries every 4 years, and you keep these devices about 8 years. So every 4 years you do need to replace these batteries, so keep that in mind, guys. Do not disobey that, because if you do, you might end up having a power failure, and this thing will not protect your device, or it will not work properly with a dead battery. So always keep that in mind. So once I get my computer back today, I'm waiting on UPS right now. It says 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So as soon as I get that notification, I will get my computer, and later on I'll plug it into this, as long as I know that it's fully charged. And once I get the results, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime. You can follow me anywhere at PizzlesTechTime. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to keep updated. I'm going to be posting videos at least once a week now. And I'm really excited for the changes to YouTube. I'm going to keep posting, and I'm really excited, I gotta say. YouTube is changing, but I'm going to change with it, and I'm going to continue to post videos, and I'd greatly appreciate your support for my channel. And if you've made it this far in the video, smack that like button, and leave a comment below, because I really do appreciate you guys. And thanks so much for watching. And remember, guys, PizzlesTechTime. I'm always here for you guys. If you have any questions, remember, don't hesitate to ask because I answer all comments. So please, guys, I really do appreciate it. So thanks a lot, guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.